Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Shiba Inu video, and the question right now is this enough? Because we are right now in this very nice triangle up here and we are looking to break out, but is this enough of a correction? Is this enough of a sideways movement after 300% pump to actually, continue to move towards the upside? And that's what we're gonna look at today. Now, before we start looking at that, there's a link down below to the Patreon. We do daily altcoins video every single day, watching, what's pumping, what's not pumping. Something like Shiba, pump 300%, what's the next move? We are watching, what's above the line, what's below the line. If that's something for you, if you wanna know, about stuff before stuff happens, check the link down below. That said, nice, very nice move up here. This here looks kind of, I actually hoped this is gonna pump and exit up here. Unfortunately, it didn't do that. It is showing a little bit weakness up here, so we're gonna see that, and we're gonna see what's gonna have actually have to happen for us to continue to move towards the upside for Shiba Inu. Okay, so if you look this on the daily time frame, you'll see that we are below this white line. This white line, that's what we call moving average. It's a 10 moving average. It's a slow moving average. All of these others are also moving averages, and they are acting as support or resistance depending whether you're above or below the lines. Now we are below the line. We broke on downside. We are still not back above it. So next support is down here at 20 moving average. We got here at 21.91 line down here. Also, that's gonna act as support, and this trend line is also gonna be a very decent support. Right now, technically, we can actually move this down here right now, and this should be down up here. So this is actually the triangle. Now this one looks a little bit tricky. It's not actually like that, but I think my lines were correct. I think my lines were correct. So when I use my lines on the 4-hourly time frame, down here, you can see that we are right now hugging the support down here. We are hugging the support, but the problem is that we are not getting above this 20 moving average. The 20 moving average is still pushing us towards the downside, and we are still not out of this this downtrend line, this downtrend, right? So we got I think there is some downtrend line that's pulling us out, and we are still not out of it. So if we do break on the downside, we are looking for this 100 moving average. We are looking for 21 level down here to hold as a support, but will it actually break on the downside? We do not know yet. We do not know yet. It doesn't look that bad. It does look bad. Now this is only after a 300% move. You can see down here after, what's that, after 300% move, of course you have to have the sideways movement, but and everybody's hoping for a very small triangle before it exits out. But it all depends on how much how much people are selling, when they are done selling and stuff like that. Right now minus 0.31% in red, but it depends on how much they're selling. I don't see anything right now that says that we should blast off right now, because even on this 4-hourly time frame, we are below right now. We went again, you can see here, we went above this 10 moving average, and then it was hugging it, and right now we broke on the downside. So right now, if we cannot get right back above it or do some crazy move up there, it looks bad. So it looks bad, but we are above the trend line. So it doesn't matter how bad it looks, as long as we are above the trend line, it's okay. But if we start falling below the trend line, I would be looking at 21.91, 21 or 22, whatever that is, around 22. Let's say 22 because it's a nice round number. We'll be looking at that support down here to hit, and I think actually that's the most likely outcome, especially here. If you're looking on daily, we are below the 10 moving average. So if right now start falling down here, then after 2 days this 20 moving average will catches up, and I think that on the daily time frame, I think that this 20 moving average has the best chance to pick us up, get us above the all-time high here, and just pump the price for towards the upside. So I'm definitely looking at some kind of movement right now. Let's go a little bit back in time up here. I'm definitely looking for some kind of movement that can push us towards the upside. But if it doesn't push us towards the upside, if we do go to downside, I'm looking to bounce down on the 21, 22, and then do a big move towards the upside. So either this or this move. I don't think it's gonna go and die just yet. Bitcoin looks healthy. The stock markets look healthy. Everything is red. Bitcoin's having small pullback and stuff like that. So everything looks nice. Everything looks like it's gonna pump like to the moon soon. So why shouldn't this pump even more? It's just going through slow consolidation period. Now once this is done, it's gonna pump, and you want to know when it's gonna pump, right? So what I suggest you do, you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button so you get the notifications next time, and check out the Patreon link down below on the daily outcomes video, because we do Shiba Inu there as well. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya tomorrow, and we're gonna see if Shiba is decided to go up or down. Bye bye.